This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on Capital One in a straightforward manner. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once logged in, look for the Payouts or Rewards section in the menu. Click on it to view your available payout options. Step 3. Choose your payout method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter required information. Fill out any necessary fields, such as the amount you wish to request and your payment details. Double-check the information for accuracy to avoid delays. Step 5. Submit your request. After confirming all details are correct, click the Submit button to finalize your payout request. You should receive a confirmation message or email shortly after. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts on Capital One. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.